This is Ziggy. Ziggy's a very, very, very sweet and gentle Saluki. Ziggy's got quite a nasty injury on his foot, but it is a little bit gruesome, so if you don't want to look at it, stop watching the video. But basically Ziggy's owner noticed that he was limping one day and has no idea exactly what happened to him, and saw that his foot was swollen and that he had some blood and some fluid on the skin. Brought him into us, and his skin was actually necrotic or rotten and was pulling away from the toes. And we've been treating his wound under bandages for a while, and we want to show you what it looks like now. The interesting thing about this is that we have absolutely no idea what happened to him. We can only guess. We can guess that maybe he had a trauma of some kind, and this is like a very deep graze, or possibly he was exposed to a toxin that literally ate away at the skin, maybe a venomous insect, or there are all sorts of weird things in Dubai, we're not sure. Or it could even be a malicious injury. We just don't know, and neither does the owner. But if you could have a look at his little foot now, I'll show you. You see, these are his front toes, and this one here is really, all the skin is taken off and all the tissue is down all the way to the bone. You can actually see the little bone of his digit there, and beautifully how the nail attaches to the bone there. And on this side, the inside of this toe, it's the same thing as well. Oopsie, sorry, Ziggs, I know, such a good boy. And then on the outside of that toe. So we don't know if his foot got stuck in something, and this is like what we call a shearing or a degloving injury of the tissue, or what? Only Ziggy knows. Ziggy, can you tell us? But basically, we're treating this under bandages. There's no ways we're going to save this toe here, so he's going to have this toe amputated, and he's going to have the ends of these digits amputated as well. Luckily, he will keep his main pad, and the main support of the foot are in these bones here, so he'll be able to walk and have a normal life. But we can't do any surgery until all the infection is cleared up, which is why we're doing the bandaging at the moment. So yeah, luckily he's a very well-behaved dog, and he's very good about his bandage changes. He doesn't chew his bandages, takes his medicine, so hopefully he'll make a full recovery.